In a class of 20 students, 16 play soccer, 12 play hockey, and 2 do not play any of the two games. How many students play only hockey? This is a two-set problem. So we will first represent the information we have here on a Venn diagram. I'll use the rectangle to represent the number of students in the class. So U, which will represent the number of students in the class, is equal to 20. The question says that 16 of them play soccer. I'll use this circle to represent those who play soccer. So 16 play soccer and 12 play hockey. I'll use this circle to represent those who play hockey. We have the number of students who play hockey to be 12 here. Let's assume that X is equal to the number of students who play both games. So this region will be X. If here is X, then it means that the number of students who play soccer only will be 16 minus X. And the number of students who play hockey only will be 12 minus X. The question tells us that 2 students do not play any of the two games. So it means that X union H complement is 2. So you indicate that here. When we add everything in the Venn diagram together, it will give us the universal set. So it means that 16 minus X plus 12 minus X plus 2 is equal to the universal set, which is 20. This will give us 30 minus X is equal to 20. And X will be equal to 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20 is 10, so X is equal to 10. So what it means is that the number of students who play both games are 10. We are looking for the number of students who play only hockey. From our Venn diagram, we can see that the number of students who play only hockey are 12 minus X. And we have found out that X is equal to 10. So it means that the number of students who play hockey only will be 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 will give us 2. So what it means is that 2 students play only hockey.